Hey everybody, I'm Caesar. Welcome to another episode of Caesar's and Nessie's Kitchen. Listen, we're aware of the stress and anxiety that everybody's going under right now because of the coronavirus. Because of that, today's recipe is guaranteed to take the edge off. We're making micheladas with clean, crisp, delicious modelos.
Babe!
Delicious. So let's start with the ingredients. You will need Worcestershire sauce, Jugo Maggi, Cholula hot sauce or Tapatio, tahini, Clamato, 1 whole lime, and of course, a cold, crisp, delicious, get away! Modelo. Now, before we get started, don't forget to hit like down below and also hit subscribe to help us keep Corona away. Great, let's get started. Grab a chilled glass and apply some of the lime around the rim. Roll the rim of the glass in tahini. There you go. Then you'll add 1/4 cup of Clamato, 2 squirts of Worcestershire sauce, 2 squirts of Jugo Maggi, 4 squirts of Cholula, and juice of 1 lime. Finally, time to add your clean, crisp, delicious modelo. Let's try it. Oh man, that is awesome. Well, there you have it, everybody. Awesome homemade micheladas to take the edge off. Salud. We hope to see you on our next episode of Caesar and Nessie's Kitchen. Cheers. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.
Where's the thing? Oh, ready?
I'm going to start hitting you.
One. Okay.
And you got the Clorox in the camera?
So it's delayed. Hold on.
Don't worry, just
Okay.
move around. They're gonna know it's.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go. Stop it!
Get off!
Are you done?
It's so stupid.
Is it good? Is it focused? Okay. We're making micheladas using cold, crisp, delicious modelos.